A very good morning. It's Mark here. It is Wednesday, April the 9th, going on 8 a.m. Eastern. That'll be noon GMT, and certainly a day full of events. 9th of April, the day that Trump's reciprocal tariffs come into play, and the market has certainly, as we would have expected, reacted and very, very sharply. Let's have a look where we stand. Firstly, on the US dollar index, strong sell-off pre-US Open. You can see that closed yesterday at 102.72, a gap down to start today's trading, and sellers immediately set support at 101.64, significantly under the 102 level, sitting at that level right now, but certainly a big sell-off in the US dollar to start the trading day. If we go to the hourly, it's sitting in the middle of that range right now, 102.60 resistance, 101.60 support, sitting in the middle as the US session gets underway. Let's have a look at S&P. I'll start off on the daily. And there you can see also a big gap down in pre-market trading from closing at just above the 5,000 level, hovered around that 5,000 level at the close yesterday. Now the open in pre-market trading, 4,959, now sitting at 4,916. Real close to the support level at 4,835. Bear in mind that Wall Street opens up in an hour and a half. So this is pre-market trading, and already we've seen this big sell-off in the equity markets. It's extended, by the way, to the Nasdaq, to the Dow Jones, and you can see it in the S&P as well. We have seen so much volatilities, and over the past few days, we've seen the stock markets rally, decline, and up and down in really short time. So we need to watch for that. And it's already bouncing back a little bit and trying to get back to that all-important 5,000 level. On the hourly, sitting pretty much in the middle of today's range, between 4,880 and 5,056. But as the US session gets underway, US dollar is weakening. We can see that, and as are the equity markets. What's not weakening, and I'm saying not surprised to see gold rally, and it's really looking strong from yesterday's close at 2,980. It's now sitting at 3,072 is resistance, and it's testing that resistance right now, taken out yesterday and the previous day's highs, and really bouncing back in these turbulent times. Gold's safe haven status certainly coming to the fore, and it's moved up almost $100 as the US session gets underway. Oil, which has been sold off so drastically, and that's continuing today as the US session gets underway. Just have a look. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 straight days, lower highs, lower lows, a very, very strong downtrend. And because it's in uncharted territory since it broke below this 68 level, there aren't really guidelines or previous levels to look for, and nothing stopping the sellers right now. And we're just seeing new lows every day, levels that we haven't seen since 2021, and already today below the 59 level, sitting at $58.61, and just seems to be nothing stopping the nervousness surrounding the sale of oil at this point. Everything contributing: the tariff wars and today's reciprocal tariffs, global uncertainty, global recession, very, very few factors that that stand in the way of this massive sell-off that we're seeing. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. While all else around is moving so sharply, Bitcoin is staying put at yesterday's close at 76,000. It has tried higher today, almost at 78,000. It's gone as low as 74,500, but right now sitting where it closed yesterday. Interesting that Bitcoin has not proved to be a safe haven in these troubled times. Buyers certainly struggling. The downtrend very much intact. Buyers unable to get to that 80,000 level, struggling to get back up to 80, and it's the low 70,000s we're looking at right now, and support of 74,200 will certainly be in view. Good trading, keep that discipline today, and I'll see you at end of day session.